Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Central supply of oxygen, nitrous oxide and air is at 60 pounds square inch pressure. Oxygen is white in color. Nitrous central supply nitrous oxide in central supply is blue in color. Vacuum in central supply is yellow in color. Air in central supply is black in color. Air is black in color, so central supply is 60 psi. It has oxygen should be white in color, nitrous oxide is blue in color, and vacuum yellow in color, and air is black in color. So this intermediate supply, this central supply is an intermediate pressure system. It comes under intermediate pressure system.
thank you and thank you for watching.